Hello! In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to upload your course to the Lucibra platform. From adding course details and cover media to setting a price, creating a curriculum, and publishing your course, we'll walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. Choose an engaging, informative, and search-optimized title within 100 characters. For example, graphic design with Photoshop, from beginner to expert. Provide a brief overview with key points about what users will learn. For example, this course provides a comprehensive journey from Photoshop basics to professional design techniques. Provide a detailed overview of your course, including its purpose, structure, and key topics. For example, learn the essentials of Adobe Photoshop, from layer management and selection tools to photo retouching and digital design. Gain hands-on experience with real-world projects and master techniques for image editing, composition, and visual design, and more. List the key skills and knowledge students will gain after completing the course. For example, master Photoshop tools and shortcuts, edit and enhance images professionally, create stunning digital artwork, design marketing materials, and work with layers, masks, and typography for advanced compositions. List the prerequisites, tools, or knowledge needed to take this course. For example, a computer with Adobe Photoshop installed, basic familiarity with using a computer, and no prior design experience needed. Beginners are welcome. Define the target audience and help students determine if the course is suitable for them. For example, beginners who want to learn Photoshop from scratch, graphic designers looking to improve their editing skills, photographers who want to enhance and retouch images, and marketers needing to create visually compelling content. Select the appropriate difficulty level to help students choose the right course for their skills. For example, beginner, designed for those with little to no prior knowledge; intermediate, requires some foundational knowledge; and expert, advanced content for experienced learners. Choose the language in which your course will be delivered to ensure accessibility for learners. For example, English, Spanish, or French. Select the primary subject of your course to help students find it easily. For example, business, design, or technology. Choose a more specific topic within the main category. For example, digital marketing under marketing or web design under design. Add an additional related category to increase discoverability. For example, web design business as an alternative category for a web design. Once you've selected the main category, subcategory, and an optional alternate category, click Next to proceed to the next step in setting up your course. In this section, you will upload your course introduction video and thumbnail. A high-quality video and an eye-catching thumbnail can help attract more students and increase engagement. Let's see how to do it. Add a course introduction video to enhance visibility and engagement. For example, upload an MP4 file with at least 720p resolution, a maximum size of 4 gigabytes, and a duration of up to 6 minutes. Upload a high-quality image that meets size and format requirements. For example, use a 750 by 422 pixel image in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format without logos or branding. Once you have uploaded your course introduction video and thumbnail, click Next to move forward in setting up your course. Now it's time to set the price for your course. You can choose to offer it as a paid or free course. If paid, you can set a regular price and optionally add a special discount. Let's go through the steps. Set the standard price for your course in USD. For example, you can enter $50 as the regular price for your course. Offer a discounted price for a limited time or special promotions. For example, if your regular price is $50, you can set a special price of $30 for a promotional discount. Now that you've set your course price, click Next to move on to the curriculum section and start adding your lessons. The loading process is in progress. Once it reaches 100%, you will be automatically redirected to the curriculum section to continue setting up your course. Now let's structure your course by adding sections, lectures, quizzes, assignments, and attachments. A well-organized curriculum improves student engagement and makes learning more effective. If you have reached the curriculum section, your course has been saved as on draft in your account. You can return anytime and continue editing from where you left off. Let's explore how to build your curriculum. Active courses are those that are live and available for students on the platform. Upcoming courses include newly created or currently being edited courses that have not yet been published. Click New Section to create a structured module for your course. This helps organize your content into clear and manageable sections, making it easier for students to follow. Click the Edit icon to rename this section. Keeping clear and structured section names helps students navigate your course easily. Click the Delete icon to remove this section. Be cautious. This action is irreversible, and all content within the section will be deleted. Click on Lecture to start adding a new lesson to your course. Enter a clear and engaging title that reflects the content of your lecture. Provide a brief overview of what students will learn in this lecture. Enable this option to allow students to preview the lecture before purchasing the course. After entering the lecture title and description, click Next to upload your video. To upload your lecture video, select an MP4 file from your device. You've successfully uploaded your lecture video. Now click Next to proceed to the next step, where you can add captions for better accessibility and engagement. Now you can enhance your lecture by adding captions. Upload subtitle files in SRT or VTT format to make your content more accessible and easier to understand for all students. Now click Add Lecture to save and add this lesson to your course. Monitor the upload progress percentage while your video lesson is being uploaded. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a notification in the top right corner of the screen confirming the successful upload. After adding all your lecture videos, your curriculum will appear like this. Now let's take a look at some of the key icons and their functions. This icon indicates that the lecture is available as a free preview, allowing students to watch it before purchasing the course. This icon confirms that the lecture has been successfully uploaded and is now stored in the system. Click this icon to delete the lecture from your curriculum if you no longer need it. Use this icon to rearrange the lecture order by dragging and dropping it into your desired position. Click this arrow to expand and edit the lecture content, including videos, descriptions, and additional materials. After clicking the drop-down arrow, this section allows you to make edits to your lecture. You can replace the video, enable or disable the free preview option, and update the title or description. Additionally, you can upload captions to improve accessibility. Once you've made your changes, be sure to click the Save button to apply them. Now let's move on to the quiz section. Here you can create interactive quizzes to assess students' understanding of the course material. Let's get started. Choose a clear and engaging title for your quiz to capture students' attention. Provide a brief overview of the quiz, explaining its purpose and what students will be tested on. Click Next to move forward and begin adding questions to your quiz. In the next step, you'll be able to create multiple choice or single choice questions, define correct answers, and configure scoring settings. In this section, you can choose the question type. If you select single choice, students will be able to choose only one correct answer from the available options. If you select multiple choice, students can select multiple correct answers, allowing for a more flexible assessment. Now, you can create and customize your quiz question. Start by entering the question title. If needed, click Add Quiz Image to include a visual for your question. Assign a score for the correct answer. Below, enter the possible answers in the option title fields. Use the checkbox to mark the correct option. You can also click Option Image to attach an image for an answer choice. If you need to remove an option, click Delete. Once everything is set, click Save Question to finalize your changes. Once you have added your quiz question and answer choices, click Create Quiz to complete the process. Your quiz will now be added to the curriculum. Now let's add an assignment to test students' understanding and track their progress, where in this section, we will define the assignment details, including pricing, title, and description, and you can choose between paid or free options. You can set a standard price for this assignment if you want it to be a paid task. This helps control access and value for students. If you wish to offer a discount or promotional pricing, you can set a special price here. This makes assignments more accessible to students. Provide a clear and descriptive title for the assignment. A well-defined title helps students understand what the task is about. In this section, you can describe the assignment in detail. Explain the objectives, requirements, and expectations for students. Here you can specify the maximum number of points a student can earn from this assignment. This helps in setting clear grading criteria. Define the minimum score a student needs to pass this assignment. Setting a passing score ensures students meet the required learning outcomes. You can upload additional resources such as PDFs, images, or zip files to provide students with extra support and relevant materials. When you're done filling out the assignment details, click Add Assignment to save and attach it to your course. To provide additional resources for students, now let's move on to this section where we'll explore how to upload files and set the pricing for attachments, providing additional resources for your students, and you can choose between paid or free options. If this attachment is a paid resource, set a price for students to access it. This ensures controlled access to premium content. You can offer a special price or a discount for this attachment. This makes it more accessible to students who need additional materials. Provide a clear and descriptive title for the attachment. A well-labeled attachment helps students understand its relevance to the course. Upload supporting materials like images, PDFs, or zip files. These resources enhance the learning experience and provide additional value to students. Once you've filled out the attachment title and added your supporting file, click Add Attachment to include it in your course. Let's now explore how to add co-instructors to your course. At the bottom of the page, you can add other instructors by clicking the Add Instructor button. If a course has been created by 2 or more instructors, you can include them here and customize their permissions individually. Let's review the permissions you can assign to additional instructors for this course. You can control what each instructor can see or manage. Type the email address of the instructor you wish to invite. The visibility option allows the instructor to view the course content. Revenue report access shows the instructor detailed income and earnings for the course. Manage gives the instructor full control to edit and organize the course. The assignments permission allows the instructor to create, manage, and grade assignment tasks. Q&A enables the instructor to respond to student questions and support them during the course. Performance access allows the instructor to track how students are progressing through the course. Captions permission enables the instructor to upload or edit subtitles for the course. Reviews permission allows the instructor to view and manage student feedback and course ratings. Click Send Invitation to invite the instructor with the selected access permissions. You've successfully structured your course. Now you can either save your draft and start a new course or proceed to the final step before publishing. Click Save Draft and New Course to save your current course as a draft and begin a brand new course. Click Next to move to the Pre-Submit and Pending page to finalize your course before publishing. You've successfully structured your course and are just one step away from making it available to learners. Now decide how you want to launch. Whether you want to start earning with a quick pre-sale or submit your fully completed course for review, you're in the right place. Let's finalize it. If you'd like to launch your course in pre-sale mode and make your first sales right away, all you need is a minimum of 5 videos totaling 30 minutes. Since fully preparing your course, including recording, editing, and setup, can take time, you can take advantage of this unique opportunity not offered on any other platform. To keep your course active, make sure to upload at least 1 new video every week. Once you've reached 10 videos and completed your course, you can resubmit it to maintain your active status. After submitting your course, make sure your instructor account is verified and your profile is up to date. Our team will review your course and activate your account within 72 hours. Welcome to your course dashboard. Now that you've submitted your course for review, you can monitor its status here. Let's take a quick look at what each status means. Your course status is marked as pending. That means it's under review. Our team will carefully check your content, and once approved, your course will go live and appear on the marketplace. If your course is approved after the review, it will appear under the My Courses tab with the active status. Congratulations, your course is now marked as active. That means it has passed the review process and is now visible to students for purchase and enrollment. You're officially live. Click the link icon to copy your course URL. You can open it in a new tab to preview how your course looks or share it with others. And here it is, your course, just as your students will see it. From the title and preview video to the description, pricing, reviews, and content sections, everything is now live and ready. You can now start sharing your course and making sales. That brings us to the end of the course creation process. Congratulations on your hard work, and we wish you lots of success. See you next time.